and thanks for joining us at the Inovonics Virtual Security Conference. I'm Damon Standish, President of ICT USA, and I want to welcome you here to our US headquarters in Denver, Colorado. Today we're going to have a look at ICT and how with Inovonics we can provide peace of mind protection without the wires. Come and join me at our virtual booth and we'll take a closer look. Now I know I said this is virtual, obviously it's real for me, so let's just keep the vision alive. Make sure you stick around to the end here because we have a link for you to register to get your free show bag. If I do a decent enough job on convincing you that ICT is the product you want to switch to, we've also got a special deal on our pre-wired kits and our Inovonics receiver. At ICT, we design and manufacture all of our own hardware in our state-of-the-art production facility in Auckland, New Zealand. Every single product is tested as it comes off the production line. With more than 35% of the company dedicated to research and development, you can be sure of consistent quality and cutting-edge products. ICT's Protege platform comes in 3 different flavors. Protege WX is an out-of-the-box, all-in-one access control, intruder detection, and building automation system. With no software to install, deployment is quick and straightforward. Web technology removes the complications and constraints typically associated with software. The familiarity of a web browser and intuitiveness of the interface make learning a breeze. One integrated solution not only saves you time and money on installation, it means there's just one system to train your team on. The modular hardware design provides the flexibility to accommodate any installation, whether it's small, large, residential, or commercial. Start with a controller or choose one of the cost-effective starter kits, then add optional accessories as and when you need them. Expandable modules allow you to scale your system as your requirements change. If you reach capacity, there's an upgrade path. Protege GX, our enterprise level system. Protege GX has a feature set that is easy to operate, simple to integrate, and effortless to extend. Designed with the end user in mind, Protege GX offers an intuitive and user-friendly interface with graphical floor plans and highly customizable status pages for controlling and monitoring the system. Getting the information you need has never been easier or more accessible. GX has a range of reports, and you can even have these generate automatically and email to you. Event reports enable you to view exactly what's happening with the system. Muster report, generate a list of users in a specified area. Great for emergency evacuation at a secure site. Attendance reports make it easy to track and monitor staff movements on site, assisting with payroll and HR management. User reports contain detailed information on users or cardholders in your system. Allows you to quickly determine who has access to a selected door or who's been trying to get access to a door they're not allowed to. Also for things like cards that are about to expire. All of the reports can be exported to a wide range of formats including PDF, HTML, Excel, and CSV. For our US customers, we also offer the same platform as a cloud-based solution, where ICT takes care of the server and IT administration, making installation a breeze and IT overhead a thing of the past. Compact, robust, and elegant. All of our hardware comes in a DIN rail form factor, which features an enclosed design to protect internal circuitry from physical damage. LEDs on the front panel show status at a glance. The compact size translates into higher installation density, taking up less valuable real estate. All hardware is listed to UL and ULC standards and compliant with FCC, CE, and CTEC international standards. This is one of our main controllers. Up the top here you'll see 2 card reader ports, which are switchable between RS-485 and Wiegand. Along the top here we also have 8 zone inputs, and these can be used for your access control, such as your door contact and your REX button. They can also be used for your intruder detection. It's one of the advantages of that integrated platform. Down the bottom we have RS-485 to expand out the system. We have two outputs here for your door control and one that's dedicated for your alarm, so your piezo siren. Down here we have a phone dialer that can be used for your traditional call out for contact ID to your monitoring station, or this can be wired into a cellular backup that has a line capture. Down the end here we have the Ethernet port that will allow you to do your IP monitoring on board and also to access and program the system. In the US we have a range of pre-wired kits and sizes from 2 to 24 doors. The kits don't just make installation easier and quicker, but the single ordering code makes it simple for a salesperson to ensure they have everything they need for a project. Smart, stylish and secure, ICT's card readers come in a range of sizes and technologies, with optional keypads, even a choice of colour. Our TSEC range allows you to select the model that fits your needs and your decor. The latest TSEC readers can be used with the Protege mobile app and mobile credentials, enabling doors to be unlocked using a smartphone for maximum convenience. Choose intelligent RS-485 connection for fast, secure communication, or Weekend for compatibility with standard access control systems. RS-485 provides the added benefits of being easier and more cost-effective to wire, and allows direct integration with Protege systems, enabling you to change on the fly once readers are installed. RS-485 also allows for longer cable runs and simpler firmware update process. Available in multiple technologies with 125 kHz procs, 13.56 smart cards for DesFire and MyFair, or as a multi-technology option with all of those and Bluetooth and NFC built in, the TSEC range delivers maximum compatibility while providing a path forward to the latest technology. The multi-technology reader is ideal for organizations that wish to transition to smart card technology at their own pace. It means they don't have to replace all of their cards up front. The IP65 environmental rating provides a high degree of protection from the elements, making TSEC reader suitable for harsh environments. Readers can be mounted indoors or outdoors, located anywhere from the parking lot to the office door. The optional vandal-resistant covers are ideal for locations where a card reader may be exposed to damage. It also gives us an anti-ligature protection, which is great for correctional facilities, hospitals, mental health institutions. ICT's mobile app works with all of our Protege platforms and allows you to check the status of devices, unlock doors, arm and disarm intrusion areas, and even control lights and other devices. Mobile credentials complement the solution even further by offering the convenience of card-free access from your mobile device. Access control, intrusion detection. So why the focus on integrating these two things? Let's take a look at a real-world situation. Building is unattended. Access control alone keeps unwanted visitors out. But if an employee drops their secure credential in the parking lot, there's nothing stopping a would-be intruder from gaining entry. An intrusion detection or burglar alarm system can alert police to unauthorized entry, but can often lead to false alarms when an employee comes in early and either doesn't know or forgets the PIN to disarm the system. By integrating these two systems, it's easy to make two-factor authentication a requirement when the building is secure. What you have and what you know. Your secure credential and your PIN means that a lost credential alone will not provide access to a secure location. The first person to arrive in the morning can see that the alarm system is armed by a red LED indication on the card reader. The employee presents their credential, then enters their PIN to gain access. The alarm system is disarmed and the lights and other control systems are enabled. Because the building is now attended, other employees arriving no longer need to enter a PIN, making access control convenient. When the day is done, the last person to leave can be secure in the knowledge that all intrusion areas are armed, all doors are locked, and all the lights are off. If you're already familiar with ICT's Protege platform, check out this video tutorial that will show you the programming steps to integrate your access control and intrusion detection. So now you know a little more about ICT, let's take a look at how Inovonics and some of our other integration partners can make installation easier and even provide security solutions in difficult situations without the need for wires. For wireless access control, ICT has integrated with ASSA ABLOY's Aperio, Salto Salis, and Schlage's AD400 series of wireless locks. But I know you guys really just came here to talk about Inovonics. ICT developed the Inovonics wireless receiver module to enable integration between Protege systems and wireless Inovonics devices. The built-in Inovonics EN4200 EchoStream receiver translates incoming Inovonics signals so they are understood by Protege controllers. The receiver module communicates with the Protege controller via ICT's secure module network across RS485 or Ethernet. Inovonics PIRs, door contacts, and duress devices appear in Protege as inputs. Once linked, they're programmed and behave just like any other hardwired security device. Let's take a look at where ICT systems integrated with Inovonics have been particularly successful. It's no surprise that banks and other financial institutes have extremely high security requirements. The public need to be assured that their hard-earned assets and investments are safe, and staff need to know that their protection is never compromised. Inovonics wireless pendants, bill traps, and other devices can be used to provide multiple ways for staff to trigger a duress situation. ICT's built-in alarm dialer and IP monitoring functions ensure a quick response, and with integrated access control, others can be kept safe by preventing access to an area in a duress situation. Many banks with tired or obsolete systems such as WX are turning to ICT and Inovonics to provide a modern solution to an ever-changing security landscape. The link below will take you to a case study of one of our banking customers who chose ICT and Inovonics over more than 20 other security systems. School districts, courthouses, and police departments are finding that the integrated solution provides staff with the peace of mind that a simple button press can lock down an entire building or campus while instantly alerting the authorities to the situation. In hazardous environments, such as a research lab or where employees may be working in isolation, a wireless pendant coupled with motion detection can improve employee safety through a man-down function. Check out this video here to see how we do that. Hopefully you found this webinar to be informative. Before we close it off, you can register here to receive your free show bag. Just got to click on this link, or that link, or whichever one of these things is actually a link. Inside the bag you're going to find some more information, some ICT goodies, and our special offer for our pre-wired kits and our Inovonics receiver to get you started with ICT. I'll be sticking around for a live Q&A, but if you have to go, thanks so much for joining us, and I hope to talk to you soon.